Hello everyone, good evening. In this puzzle page of Saturday, February the 18th, 2023, we have here in this puzzle page 6 extra puzzles for today. We have here the first one is a 2 stars Sudoku with 28 printed digits. And then we have a 4 stars Sudoku with 23 printed digits. Then a killer Sudoku, 2 tectonics, 10 by 10, one with 3 stars, one with 2 stars, and the tectonic. And the other puzzles, I'm not interested. So total of 6 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve, and tomorrow on Sunday, we don't receive any newspaper. We have here the puzzle, the additional for Sunday. 7 extra puzzles, the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, the 3 stars, the 4 stars Sudoku, 2 tectonics, one with 4 stars and one with 1 star. In Dutch they call it Saifa block. In Japanese, Suguru. And the last puzzle is a binary puzzle. And these puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles tomorrow. I won't do them all. Half of them I will solve. And also the Samurai Sudoku. Yeah, the Samurai Sudoku. Alright, let's go back to this one. The 4 star Sudoku with 23 printed digits. Well, should be tougher than the 24 printed digits, the 4 star Sudoku in additional. But this one will be number 5982. Yeah, 5982. 5982. And it's 2 here, okay. So I've told you before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 23 printed digits. Should be a hard one, because the hard ones in the additional has 4 stars and has 24 printed digits. So 4 stars Sudoku, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. Is this really a 4 stars? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here 2 1s, 2 2s, 3 3s, 2 4s, 3 5s, 3 6s, 4 7s. Wow. 1 8 and 1 9. So the 7s are in majority. Can I start with the 7? Yes, 7 in this row, 7 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in this column. No 7 there. 7 should be there. 7 7. Okay. 7 7. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in this first row. No 7 in these 3 boxes. Here's 7 in this column. No 7 in those 3 boxes. So the 7 in this big square could be here, could be there. 7 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, 7 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in this row. So no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in the last row. So the row between the only 3 places left for the 7 should be here, here, or there. We see a 7 in this column, no 7 there. Here, 7 in the column next, so no 7 there. So the only place left for the 7 should be there. 7. Alright, I cannot continue with the 7 now. I need to wait. How about the 6 in the last column? 6 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see here 6 in the second row. No 6 there. 6 should be there. 6 6. Okay. Then 3 3. 6 6 6 6. 6 6. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in the middle column, so no 6 in these 3 boxes. Here 6 in the middle row, no 6 in those 2 boxes. So the 6 in this big square could be here, could be there. 6 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, 6 in the middle column. So the column next, though, only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see a 6 in this row, no 6 there, 6 should be there. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers are 1. We have 1 in this row. So no 1 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 in this big square. Should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, and 9 is missing. 3 and 9, 3 and 9. We have a 9 in the middle column. No 9 there. 9 should be here and the 3 goes there. So we have a 9 in this column. 9 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 9 goes together with the 6 as a pair. 9 and 6, 9 and 6. Alright. So now we have 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number in this big square is the number 8. We have 8 in the middle column, so no 8 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 8 in this big square should be there. So what are the other 3 missing numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2 is missing, the 3 and the 4 is missing. 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 4. That means then 1 number left in the middle column for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. Yeah, 5 is missing. Alright, 7, 2. So yeah. 3 missing numbers in this column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. 2, 7, 8. 2, 7, 8, 2, 7, 8, 2, 7, 8. And look, we have a 2 and a 7 in the first row, so no 2 and a 7 in this box. The 2 and a 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and a 7, 2 and a 7. So 1 digit left in this column for number 8. We have another 2 in the second row, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 7 goes there. Alright. 1 through, so 3 missing numbers now in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 1, 3, 4. 1, 3, 4, 1, 3, 4, 1, 3, 4. And look, we have 1 and 3 in the third row. So no 1 and 3 in this box. The 1 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 3, 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 3 in the second row, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 1 goes there, so 1 digit left in this big square. For the number 4, alright. Okay. 3 missing numbers in this row. Third row, those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing, the 6, the 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. 5, 7, 8. 5, 7, 8, 5, 7, 8, 5, 7, 8. And look, we have a 7 in this column. Third column, no 7 there. Here, 7 in that column. In the second column, so no 7 there. So the only place left for the 7 should be there. So the 5 and the 8 are left. Alright. Okay. Do we have all the 7s? Yeah. And all the 7s are used. I can't see. Digit number 1, number 7. Yeah. Well, the 2. Need a 2 here. 6, 6. How about the 2? The 1. We have a pair, the 1 and a 6 in this row. The 1 and a 6 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left for the 1 and 6 goes in those 2 boxes. 1 and 6, 1 and 6. We have a 1 in the first column, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 6 goes there. So now we have 2 missing numbers. In this big square for numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 4 and a 9, 4 and 9. We have a 4 in the first column, no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 9 goes there. 4 in the third column, 4 in the first column. So the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. You see here 4 in this last row, so no 4 there. 4 should be there. 4, 4, okay. 1 1. With the 6 6 6 6 6. Oh, 6 in this row, 6 in the last row. So in the row between, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. You see a 6 in this column. No 6 there. 6 should be there. 6 6. Okay. 1 1. Yeah, we don't have all the 6s. We need to wait. But the 4, no, the 4, 4 and the 9, 5 and the 8, yeah. 2 missing numbers in the second row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here and 8 goes there. 5 in this column, 5 in the column next. So the last column, the only 2 places left for that 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in this row, no 5 there, 5 should be there. Need a 5 here, okay, there should be the 5. 5 in this row, 5 in the last row, so in the row between, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 3, 8, 9. 3, 8, 9, 3, 8, 9, 3, 8, 9. And look, we have a 3 and a 9 in this row, so no 3 and a 9 in this box. The 3 and a 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and 9, 3 and 9. We have a 3 in the second column, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 9 goes there, so 1 digit left in this big square. For the number 8, 5 and 8, we have 8 now in the third column, no 8 there. 8 should be here and a 5 goes there. 8 and the 3, okay. 2 missing numbers in the last row. Those missing numbers are 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. We have a 1 in this column, last column, so no 1 there. 1 should be here and 8 goes and there. 1 1 8 8. Alright. Then for the 9, okay. 9 and 3, yeah, 2 missing numbers in this row. For the numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 3 and a 9, 3 and a 9. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there, 3 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. 4 and a 9, 4 and a 9. We have a 9 in this column. No 9 there. 9 should be here. And the 4 goes there. 2 missing numbers now in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and a 4, 2 and a 4. We have a 2 in the last column. No 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 4 goes there. Alright, for 4, 8, 8. So we have a pair now. Yeah. The 4 and the 8 in the last column. The 4 and 8 in the column next. So in that column, the only 3 places left for the 4 and 8 goes in these 3 boxes. 4 and 8, 4 and 8, 4 and 8. And look, we have a 4 and 8 in the middle row, so no 4 and 8 in this box. The 4 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. So 1 digit left in this column. For number, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, the 9 is missing. 1 box left in the last column for number, the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. Then the 1 and the 2. Well. 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 4. 3. No. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. No. 1, 2, 5. Yeah. 3 missing numbers in this row. Those missing numbers are 1 is missing. The 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 1, 2, 5. 1, 2, 5, 1, 2, 5, 1, 2, 5. And look, we have a 2 and a 5 in this column, so no 2 and a 5 in this box. The 2 and a 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and a 5 2 and a 5. We have a 5 here in this big square. So this box should be a 2. And that box should be a 5. So 1 digit left in the middle row. Should be a 1. These two boxes should be, I believe, the 1 and the 4 are left. 1 and a 4, okay. 1 digit left in this column, third column for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, the 9 is missing. 9 and a 6, we have a 9 now in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 6 goes there. Yeah. 4 and 8. 3, need a 3, yeah. 2 missing numbers in the first column for numbers, the 1, the 2. 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 there, 3 should be here, and 8 goes there. 4 and 8, we have 8 in this row, no 8 there, 8 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 1 and a 4, we have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. 1, a 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and a 6, 2 and a 6, we have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 2 goes there. Final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers. 1 is missing, and a 2 is missing. 1 and a 2, 1 and a 2, 1 and a 2. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 2 goes there. Finish in 16 minutes. Wow! Is this really 4 stars? No. Let me give this a 2 stars, yeah. A 2 stars. 2 stars. Well, come on, pencil. Pencil. Okay. Well. Malfunction of the pencil. Yeah. 2 stars. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the other 3 puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.